Hello. If you're like me, you snore pretty heavily, and you know what a burden that can be on your significant other if you're both in the same bed. My wife simply cannot sleep when I'm sawing away at night, and we've tried multiple things to basically take care of my snoring. We've tried those those Band-Aid type things. They didn't work for me. What happens is I wind up leaving the bedroom and going to sleep on the couch, which is not optimal for me and my wife. So we had to find a solution to help me solve my snoring problem. And I found something that you're really going to like. My wife can sleep right next to me, doesn't have to worry about me snoring anymore. So yeah, definitely highly recommend. If you have a snoring issue, this is going to help you solve that. It's a great way to help solve your snoring problem.